This week has been filled with black and gold, and we're less than a day away until the Columbus Crew kick off their new season.
It's been 30 years since the team has made a landmark on the world of soccer. Cam has been at Lower.com Field celebrating in style. Hey, have the flurries stopped there, or are you still out in the snow this morning?
No, it is still beautiful. And I say, yes, it's cold, but the flurries coming down with the backdrop of Lower.com Field and the angled ceiling is just remarkable. And I think it's a good sign leading into tomorrow's match against the Chicago Fire. We got the sights, and literally now we have the sounds of Chris Doran, voice of the Columbus Crew. You hear him announcing the game. Always a pleasure to see you.
So nice to see you, Cameron.
I mean, obviously, a lot of changes in the offseason. People commenting on social media, doing their keyboard warrior thing. What would you say to everyone going, okay, this is a three-time championship team. I feel like they know what they're doing.
Yeah, they do. It's difficult when you lose a player with a high profile like Cucho Hernandez. Christian Ramirez gone too. But in the last 7 games of the regular season last year, we scored 18 goals from the run of play. 72% of them were scored by guys not named Cucho.
That's a big deal.
We had 18 unique goal scorers last year. 2 of our center backs scored in the last regular season game. I mean, we've got guys who want to put the ball in the net. That's more of the evolution of what we're going to see from Wilfried Nancy's group this year. And we just have to be patient. The players are going to come. They're going to get signed. They're going to make headlines. It's just a matter of time.
Leave it to Chris Doran to just smack us with the facts and the stats to put us at ease. But tomorrow night, obviously a lot of people excited. I feel like we were just here not too long ago. What are you expecting against the Chicago Fire, particularly and respectively, tomorrow at 7:30?
Well, on Christmas Day, the 30th opening day for the very first club in Major League Soccer, the Columbus Crew taking on the Chicago Fire. This has got some symmetry to it. Greg Berhalter is the new head coach of Chicago. He's trying to rebuild a team that's got some roster issues, also added some players in the offseason, but they're looking for their identity. We have Wilfried Nancy, the 2024 MLS Coach of the Year. His team's got its identity. It doesn't matter who's on the field. They all know how we want to play, and I think it's going to be a really exciting Christmas evening.
Chris, you know, we don't want to jinx it, obviously, but I do like to ask you, prediction for the score. What do you think? High scoring, low scoring?
Well, let's just say that in the Save the Crew era, we have not lost on Christmas Day. We've only conceded 1 goal since 2019 on Christmas Day. I think we're going to see a low-scoring game because the weather's going to be a little chilly, because guys are out here wanting to make an impact but know that it's a long season. On the other hand, I think we have some guys who want to convey to the supporters in black and gold that they don't have to be concerned about goal scoring. So I'm looking at least 2, maybe 3 goals in the game.
Chris, thank you so much. Your warm voice gave me goosebumps today. You see what I did there? We'll toss it back to you guys coming up. We're going to talk about the Goosebumps theme going on, the kits that are still available for you to be part of this epic 30-year celebration. We'll see you guys soon.
And a very important announcement that we're waiting for, too.
It does look so beautiful
out
there.
It does. It's pretty.
You don't think of snow and soccer being a good combo, but Cam's making the most of it.
Interesting combo on Saturday.